When your Sharp portable air conditioner displays three blinking lights, it's your unit's way of communicating that something is wrong. These blinking lights are not just decoration, they're an error code system designed to help you identify specific problems with your air conditioning unit. The exact meaning of these three blinking lights varies depending on your specific Sharp air conditioner model. Each model may have different error code patterns. This is why consulting your owner's manual is crucial. The manual contains a comprehensive list of error codes that correspond to specific blinking light patterns for your exact model. If your owner's manual doesn't clarify the problem, or you can't locate the specific error code, don't hesitate to contact a qualified technician for professional diagnosis. Most importantly, never ignore these blinking lights. They indicate a malfunction that requires attention to prevent further damage to your air conditioning system and avoid more costly repairs. Remember, three blinking lights mean your Sharp AC needs attention. Check your manual first, and don't hesitate to call a professional if needed. When your Sharp air conditioner shows three blinking lights, start with these simple troubleshooting steps. Most issues can be resolved with basic maintenance checks. First, check your air filter. A dirty filter is one of the most common causes of blinking lights. It restricts airflow and makes your unit work much harder than necessary. Next, inspect the condenser coils. Dirty coils cannot effectively dissipate heat, causing your air conditioner to overheat and trigger the blinking lights. Check the installation. Ensure your unit is level and positioned away from heat sources. An unlevel unit can cause the compressor to cycle frequently, triggering error lights. If simple checks don't solve the problem, look for electrical issues. Start by checking your circuit breaker. A tripped breaker is a common cause of air conditioner problems. Check for refrigerant leaks by inspecting the copper pipes. Look for signs of corrosion, water droplets, or ice buildup. Refrigerant leaks require professional repair. For faulty indoor fans, check the power cord and connections. Look for loose wires or damaged cords. If the wiring appears intact, the fan motor may need professional testing. Some issues require professional attention. Call a technician for internal component problems, water leakage from clogged drains, or if you're uncomfortable with electrical work. Before calling for service, try resetting your air conditioner. Turn the unit completely off, wait 5 minutes, then turn it back on. This simple reset can resolve many temporary issues.